The first time I saw this multifunction vegetable slicer on the food content creators page, I automatically fell in love with it. Months later, I found it on a vendor's page and I didn't even think twice. I ordered it. When this vegetable slicer got to me, I coupled it and I decided to test it out. Using fresh tomatoes and onions, covered it up. The beautiful thing about this, I have several holes where you can attach this wheel and use it to spin it to blend or chop whatever you want to do. It also has a space where you can put in your graters, about 3 extra graters. Initially, when I started, I had to pull strongly and later on it loosened up. It was able to chop my onions and tomatoes just the way I wanted it. If you're a lover of eggs too, this tool is very, very useful. It will be useful when you want to chop your tomatoes, your peppers, your onions for your eggs too. It saves you so much time just dumping your tomatoes, peppers and onions, and less than 5 minutes you have it up chopped up. This tool is amazing. If you like this kitchen equipment, drop a yes in the comment section. It's been a while, guys. Let me take you through on how I went for our NBC Trade Fair. The NBC Trade Fair held for 2 days, 30th and 31st of August. However, I was able to get clips of the second day, 31st, and this was as early as 9 a.m. in the morning. So I came on Saturday too. I picked the things I wanted to get, and on Sunday I decided to repeat my visit because there were particular items I wanted to get, even though I didn't get them at last. So I walked into the venue. You see so many vendors, and this is Machanchina's stand. The crowd on Saturday was a mammoth crowd. I think because it was early and because some people went to church. On Saturday morning, as early as 8 a.m., this place was filled to the brim. I mean, China's stand was filled. I was able to pick the items I wanted. Here are vendors. There are so many clothes and accessory vendors. And this is me going back home. Bye, guys. Having stew in the freezer is always a lifesaver, such that I go 3 to 4 Sundays without having to make fresh batch of stew. I usually make a large batch, put it in about 4, 5 or even 6 containers so that I can take us up to those number of Sundays before I have to make a fresh batch. This day, I didn't have anyone at all, and my kids needed to eat, as per Sunday rice now. We would have eaten something else, but for some reason, we insisted on eating rice. Meaning that I'll have to spend more time in the kitchen, and I need to be as fast as possible to meet the lunch time. In the freezer, I got out my chili peppers. Usually, I buy these chili peppers and I remove the seeds. And for some reason, this chili pepper was in 2 small baskets, so I couldn't do it all. I just washed it, removed the stalk, and I kept it in my freezer. See how the chili brightened the stew, looking very red. It was very minimal with the chili peppers I used. However, it wasn't as spicy as I thought it would be. For the longest time, I've had this belief that the pepper seeds from the chili pepper would make the food extra spicy and it's usually very hot. But this time around, it wasn't what I thought. The chilies were okay. I think even the normal habanero peppers, that is the Atorodo we all know, seems to be more spicier than this particular chili pepper. Since I have a good number of it, I think I need to jettison this fear of pepper and start using my chilies as much as I want. Take a look at how my stew turned out. Really, really bright and really, really tasty. What did you have today? Bye. Hi guys, let's do some late night unboxing. Let's get started. My periodic items finally arrived. I ordered these items from China through a vendor who was on sales while she was in China about 3 months ago. These sales took place around the ending of June, and I got my items just last week. As a content creator, I always say gadgets no dey finish. Just buy the ones you can afford and start with what you currently have. For this pre-order, I ordered 3 major items. However, when the items arrived, I said to add one more item to it. You can see this tripod. I was in love with this tripod the moment she advertised it. This base is very sturdy and it's not difficult to put together. Even though the manual came in Chinese language, but with these two tools, one the bigger one for fixing the base and the second one for manipulating the angles. This tripod can serve as an overhead tripod for shooting very close angles and over the table angles. I also got this car phone holder, so it's going to make life easier for me when I'm driving. I get to record my vlogs without having to bother holding my phone. Next is this small but mighty sticky phone holder. It is small but very strong and very sturdy. The glue is quite strong and it holds to any object wherever you place it. It holds very firmly. Call this particular gadget the small but mighty gadget because it does wonders. Be it car, wood, table, glass, it sticks firmly and holds your phone perfectly. Last on the list of the items I got is this mirroring gadget that you can use to ensure you're in frame whenever you're shooting with your back camera. I got this item from Simbi Props and she'll be in China next month as well. Pre-order from her. The joy of having a freshly made pot of stew cannot be overemphasized, especially for a mom who has kids to feed. However, no one talks enough about the process of making this stew. I mean, the splashes, the chaotic scenes, and having red paste all over your kitchen and all over your cooker. However, frying this to perfection really gives you that feeling that you have arrived. If you want to cut short the process of frying, I mean to remove the tanginess,
You can always add baking soda or baking powder in very small portions to your tomatoes. It's going to reduce the frying time and it will achieve the result of removing the tanginess that comes with the fresh peppers and the fresh tomatoes. For this my stew, I had to cut out all the chaotic scenes where I was cleaning, splashes all over. However, take a look at the stew now. Tell me in the comments what you'll be pairing this stew with.